Hi, I'm Kath Molloy and welcome to Mad for Mondays.
Mad for Monday.
Yay! I've got a very special guest here from America and she's going to let you know what she does to make a difference on a Monday. Let everyone know who you
I
are,
just
please.
love how you say America. I'm from America. I'm from California, USA, America. And my name's Denise O'Brien, and I'm the Queen of Joy. Hashtag Queen of Joy. Find me everywhere. What I help do for others is a long list, but most importantly is to help them believe themselves and help them to tell their stories. So I'm a publicist in Hollywood, and I help people to tell their stories in books. I ghostwrite books. I also help authors promote themselves, and I help find funding for women to produce their own movies. In addition to that, I have a nonprofit organization in Kenya called the Ufungo Community Development Project, where we educate and inspire young children. Women is really our passion and my passion as well. I've worked empowering women for over 45 years since I worked at my very first battered women's crisis shelter when I was a teenager. And what I found is that women don't believe in themselves enough, so that's my job. I feel God gave me the gift of the Queen of Joy to help inspire and educate others to believe in themselves and to share their story and share their message, because we as women have a lot to give and we want to let you shine your light brightly. So that's kind of my fun brand, is shine your light. Bring the light from the inside to the outside. Let it shine, let it come out. Dome is Denise O'Brien Movies and Entertainment, DOME, but what we do is we polish, like on the top of all the most beautiful churches that we've been seeing here in Alexandria and in Egypt, and all the beautiful buildings, state buildings, government buildings have beautiful gold domes. That's what we do. We help you polish your brand so you can shine brightly.
Wow, that is so beautiful. Thank you so much.
And our lunch is here. Our waiter's here bringing our chicken.
Oh, woo!
Yay.
So we want to shine from the inside out.
That's right.
All right, so make a difference this week and get
Shine your
sparkly.
light on
Look
the
out,
inside
Denise.
out.
How wonderful. Speak soon.
Thank
Bye.
you for the interview.